We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van.
As we are about to descend on Bend, we are, where did we just go through?
The Pine.
We're in the Pine. We're headed to the pre-party. And this will be our first descent on Bend. So
First time.
not sure what we're in for. Yep, not sure what we're in for. We'll see. On our way to descend
On Bend.
on Bend. We got a small RV in front of us. We got an ambulance behind us, a couple box trucks, a couple vans.
Yeah.
We're going to try and secure a site and start a circle for our other new friends that are behind us.
Totally loving vehicles.
Some vehicles. We'll see if we can do this. Look at those sharks! Woohoo! Came up to the hole in the ground.
It's pretty cool. It's a huge hole.
It's a big hole. Not far from camp.
Nice little bike ride.
A little high elevation.
This lifestyle. That's all right. That is all right. Good stuff. You guys get ladies, you get the ladies cocktail hour. I'm glad they're
So we left Descend on Bend a little early because it was quite smoky. 400 tons. Now we're headed to Mount Hood. Already seeing the sun a little bit.
Won't you call me, won't you? Call me before I go. Love can be a beautiful thing if you let it, but you hold it too tight. Boy, you're gonna regret it, don't you? Oh, I should have been already gone.
Descendonbend a little early because it was quite smoky.
What was the air quality?
400 something.
Yeah, 400. Not good.
Now we're headed to Mount Hood, already seeing the sun a little bit.
Actually see in front of us.
And we can breathe, which is nice.
Yes.